So we did 15% yesterday for TRCH, and we got a bit of rejection area around our level. So now where we gonna go, as we can see in the pre-market now, is $1.87, just above our exponential average, and this is crazy good. So what we gonna expect for TRCH for the end day of the trading session for today? Really important level. I can see the other rejection area that we have to watch out for. Everything will be answered and be calculated exactly in our video today. So without further ado, as always promise you guys, no BS, no editing, straight to the information. So hit the notification and like and subscribe. So if you have any question, comment below. I would be more than happy to answer you guys. So let's dive right in. As I show you guys in the previous video, I told you as per we got rejected here. As you can see here at this video at 21 of April, we predicted the price that when we got rejected, we want to see a buying pressure around this 53, but we still have this this price to go even to 40. You know why at 43? Because we still holding this line as we draw it before. Perfect. Look with me, guys. We got rejected at the 20th of April. At 21 of April, we open exactly as the line we draw back, and the 16th of April it was at $1.43, and we don't go below it, and we still now we trending up and up and up. That's why we have a bit of rejection area around our resistance. As I told you, we don't have a closing candle above. We just test it around the $1.80, $1.81. So just by the cent, guys, just 1 cent off, and we got back, but we still holding above our exponential average, and our AMA acting as a bouncing ball for us, and a bit of a pushing for the volume up. And as we can see, another thing really important, our volume indicator is above the zero. This is really good to see. Now by today, as we can see, the pre-market is $1.87. Yesterday we closed at $1.79, so almost 4% or 5% up. This is still good. Now what we want to see by today, even we got to $1.87, there's a probability that we're gonna see the price go down again, but this time we don't want to see it to go below the $1.77. This is really important level to hold, guys. Really important level. And as I can see, by today and by Friday, there's a price. If we go even higher, there's a bit of rejection gonna happen below. Be careful, guys. We're gonna test today the $2. So there is a big chance that we're gonna see a test for the $2, but we'll have a lot of rejection here, guys. This is really massive rejection area about the $1.02, around the $2. So this is a psychological level. We might go to $2 and we're gonna see a rejection. So now at $1.87, there's a chance that we might see by today or even the next weekend, the next week, a test for $2.02 or $2, and we go back again around the $1.87.80 here around this level. It's really good. If we have a bounce from this level at $1.80 and we don't have a bounce from $1.77, this will be perfect. And the other perfect scenario, if we just bounce from $2 and we got back, but we got bounce from our AMA, and we test again, the second times will be stronger, because the more you test any level, what's gonna happen? Yes, you guessed it right, we gonna break it. So this is what we want to see from TRCH for the good scenario for the torch if we went up and there's a big resistance area about the 2. So the other level that we have to worry about if we don't respect this level, if we guys we have even now we have this big bounce, we don't want to go below this level. As I told you, this is really important to hold above the $1.77. This is a really important level to hold, and we don't want to see a closing candle below again, because this is big warning sign, and this will take us down and will destroy all the volume we did. This is, we don't want to see a candle closing below our support here, and we clear it. We don't want to go back again for those level, because like before happened, we might see a big buying pressure, then down we go down again if we close below the resistance level that we break in. Usually guys, when we break any resistance like here and we have a closing candle above, if we don't respect and we protect our support, the resistance that will become the support, if we don't hold it and we break down, that means the price is up, is not validated by the market maker, and they know the price is not ready to go even higher. So yes, as I told you, we don't need the close above, we need the bounce. Even if we get rejected from the $2 or even here around the $1.88, we don't want to go back again a lot below our support here around the $1.77. This is really important information, because if we just close below the $1.77 and even at $1.70, we're gonna see a test again, going back again to this level around the level that we see around the $1.50, and this is what we don't see, because this is was the bottom, and we don't want to visit it again if we want to go higher and to see the $2 for torch. And this is really good, as I told you guys, really looking good chart for torch, and pick up in the momentum. And this is what you want to see if you want to change in a trend. And as we can see here, the volume is picking up really strongly, and and as still we can see the volume in the big picture is still below the negative. So it's still, guys, is not clear yet until we have the candle closing above and we consolidate above the $1.77. This is really important to have more than one sign to see the price to go up. But we still have the volume indicator show us that there's a potential that there is a reversal in a chart in the volume indicator and go into above the zero, and this will go above the zero and in the positive if we hold today, and by the next week hold above the 0.77 and test the $2, the volume indicator will give us a positive sign. So guys, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Daily video, as I promised you guys, always have all the probability and the chances that your trade will go right, and never jump in, never feel FOMO, and always protect yourself. And always, as said, there's a second chance, second opportunity. Even if you lost the last time or you miss the train for any stock, there's another opportunity. Wait for it. Be like a hunter. Wait for the prey to come to you and just hunt it. So see you guys in the next week, and hopefully you have a nice weekend. See you guys.